リンクスタート。
Kali ini gue mau mainin sebuah game lagi ya, yaitu game horror tapi berbeda genre ya. Gue biasanya mainin semua jenis RPG, mau itu action RPG, strategi RPG, MMO RPG atau RPG biasa. Tapi sekarang di channel ini gue akan fokuskan untuk main horror, cuy. Ada missing person ya, jadi di sini ada berita Elliot ya. Judul gamenya adalah
Mia, what's with the music
Radio
again?
Like, cuy. Elliot Lair ya. Jadi entah apakah kita ini seorang detektif yang mencari korban ya, atau mungkin kita kakaknya, bisa jadi, atau anggota keluarganya, atau ayahnya, orang tuanya lah ya. Gue juga kurang tahu. Kita suruh ngecek taman katanya ya, jalanan di taman. Ada foto-foto. Ini ranger report, ada laporan dari penjaga hutan ya. Itu oke. Kita coba keluar dulu. Ini matikan musik, cuy. Lagunya agak ganggu ya. Ini kamar mandi ternyata. Oh ini cewek ini nih. Aduh, malam-malam.
Oh, come on. It was a good song.
Ya tapi lu
Hey, you know the whole block can hear that disco you got going on.
It's fine, Dad.
Oh, Dad.
Last time I got Miss Brooks knocking on the door saying you woke up her quadruplets. You're 18 now, Mia. You're an adult now.
I know. Look, I toned it down already. I'll be going to Sydney's later, just so you know.
No, you're not. Not with everything going on lately.
What do you mean everything?
Tidak,
Some kid who got lost in the woods?
You just don't know these days. There could be a serial killer on the loose.
Gue salfok aja.
Come on.
Kirain gue
I'll be
cuma
careful. Sydney
dia
can pick me
apa ya,
up.
crop top tank top gitu ya. Cuman tulisan doang nih ya, nutupin
Okay,
badannya.
you can go.
Bajunya tuh yang
But be home
tulisannya
before
doang.
11.
Kirain
Remember, you've got school tomorrow.
Kaos
Graduation's
pendek
coming
ya.
up.
Ternyata ini kaos pendek.
It's Friday,
cuy.
Dad.
Already? What are you fiddling with that radio for?
I'm trying to find something.
Find what?
I heard some weird sound.
Katanya anak kita, anak tertua kita ya, mendengar ada suara-suara yang aneh ya, word sound.
Hey, Dad, seriously? Put that down.
So, just Sydney, huh?
Taruh itu di bawah katanya. Dari siapa ini? Jangan
Any beer in the
pacaran
fridge
dulu
left?
ya, kamu masih sekolah. Kita ambil sebuah bir ya. Jangan ditiru ya, kita yang lagi puasa dan muslim, bir itu haram cuy. Khamar itu minuman keras cuy. Nah, local boy masih hilang gitu ya setelah 4 hari mencari katanya. Oke. Ini gambar.
Dad, come here.
Dipanggil kita sama anak kita yang tertua ya, yang cewek ini. Ambil minum kita cuy, udah habis.
See? You hear that? It's like it's saying something.
It sounds like it's just an interference.
That's what I thought, but I keep hearing these strange... It's like hissing, you know? Here, try it.
No, I don't hear it.
It was just there, I swear. You know what, Dad? You should keep it.
Thanks. Any chance I can listen to baseball on this?
Yeah, I think it's
Kita dikasih
90.6. You're welcome.
radio ini portable portable radio. Anak tertua kita yang cewek itu Mia namanya ya, bilang katanya sering mendengar sesuatu.
Strong season so far for Jenkins, but tonight's been rough. He's 0 for 3. If there was ever a time to break out, it's now.
Ini laundry room ya.
How did that get in here?
Mason's on the mound for the Bighorn Giraffes. He's taking a long look at the runner on third, and here comes the windup and the pitch.
Kita turn on
Jenkins
dulu.
connects. A deep shot to left center. The ball
Biar
is
nggak
carrying.
gelap.
Henderson's giving chase. It's going
Ada
and
telepon
off the
masuk.
wall. Runner from third scores.
Kita
Thompson's rounding center,
Limas
heading for third. This good. Henderson retrieves the ball.
answer
Here's
the
the throw to the
phone.
plate and safe.
Kita harus menjawab telepon masuk. Yap. Oke. 9 PM jam 9 malam.
KCRK, Ashwood Creek Radio. It seems we have a new development in the case of missing Boy Scout Elliot Lair. Park Ranger
Kita
Harvey
keluar.
Waters has also been reported missing.
Driving
Waters, a
our
longtime
car
ranger at
into
Ashwood
the
Creek, last
middle
checked in
of
early this
forest,
morning. His
unknown
wife says
forest.
he was
Jadi
acting
kita
strange before his
menyetir
disappearance.
mobil kita
Authorities
ke
have not
tengah-tengah
confirmed if
hutan
the
yang
two
tidak
cases are
diketahui.
related. With the extensive search happening,
Nggak tahu
police are
kenapa.
urging visitors to avoid the park until further notice.
Tapi di radio sih ada perkembangan katanya ya tentang anak yang hilang, Elliot Lair. Perkembangan ini ya, perkembangan berita gitu. Kita udah sampai di sebuah
Yeah, I'm here.
forest
Just
parking lot
arrived.
ya.
Over.
Jadi
So you're at the parking lot?
Yeah, still inside the car.
His car should be
tempat
parked right next
parkir
to the road.
umum
You see it?
di
His car?
Get out
sebuah
of the
hutan.
car and tell me if you see it. So do you see it? Should look like a regular
Loh, kita
ranger
tuh
car.
seorang
Tell me when
polisi
you found
cuy.
it.
Pantesan panggilan tugas ya.
Yeah, I got it. It's parked right next to the road.
So that's Harvey's
Ada-
car there, like they said.
Ranger Park Ranger ini ya, Ranger Park
Where was he
ya,
last
Ranger
seen?
Park car.
Was it here at the parking lot?
Yeah, that's in the
Mobil
scene.
dari
He got to
penjaga
the
hutan
parking
cuy.
lot at around 6 a.m. He was angry. But not just that. Apparently he was really wound up. Left his keys in the booth, then he just stormed off. Wouldn't talk to anyone.
Tapi nggak ada berita katanya. Sampai sekarang dari jam 6 sore ya.
Where did he storm off to?
6 maghrib lah.
Who knows? The path leads to the visitor center, then there's a lot of space to cover. I'll tell you more in a minute. Well, if you just follow the trail, you should reach the visitor center. Tell me when you get there and we'll figure out the next steps.
Ke visitor center ini nyala ya radionya, tapi nggak ada orang satupun di sini. Hanya ada koin apa ini, quarter. Ada foto dua wanita ya, kayak
A lot of
anak dan
broken
istrinya.
glass around here. Looks like cracked light bulbs.
I think Rangers mentioned
Banyak.
some electricity issues briefly last week.
Pecahan bohlam ya, lampu cuy.
Like the day Elliot went missing.
Around that date, yeah.
Kita dapat kunci, kita bawa, ada sekop.
Looks like their payphone's broken. First the glass, now the phone line?
Oh well, looks like you're stuck with me.
I'm doomed.
Teleponnya ini ya, hancur ya cuy. Oke. Wah, gua merinding asli. Belum apa-apa udah merinding duluan. Ini nggak tahu nih ya akan seperti apa nih. Untuk broadcast emergency, oke. Frequencies for emergency broadcast. Mobilnya lebih dari satu di sini ya.
Luke Jenkins.
Berarti ada
Is he
banyak
still part
orang
of the
yang
search
lagi
tonight?
berkunjung.
Think he is. You mean the scout camp leader?
Yeah.
He's dedicated to find
Ini ada
Good guy.
P3K gitu ya.
Yeah, I don't know. He really seemed off in the interview.
Didn't we rule him out as a suspect?
Medikits, ada medikits
No,
cuy.
he didn't.
Alat-alat
He's still
kesehatan
in.
ini.
He was the last one to see him.
Pertolongan pertama,
You're the investigator.
medical kits. Ini spek LG, ada tulisan LG. LG.
The smell. Found a box of cough drops.
Spruce Brothers?
Yeah, how'd
Ada
you know?
obat batuk
I
katanya.
take him sometimes. Helps when I
Dan
talk a lot.
bau di dalam mobilnya tuh aneh ya baunya ya.
Who keeps a moldy backpack on the back seat?
Morty, what? What kind?
Ada
I don't know,
tas yang
it's mold.
berlumut
I'm in
ya
the backpack.
di bagian kursi belakang mobil.
Looks like a standard backpack for hiking.
Standar.
I don't think I'm
backpack
gonna
ya,
touch it.
buat hiking. Kita
Old
coba
cash
buka
box in the trunk. Looks like he keeps some of his personal
In the
stuff
trunk.
here. Photos of what looks like Harvey
beberapa ini
fishing
ya.
as a kid. One's a drawing.
Ada
Looks
beberapa
like
barang
two boys in
pribadi.
the woods.
Di dalam kotak.
You know anything about the parents?
Hell if I know. Harvey always seemed like a recluse. Wouldn't talk much, especially not about personal stuff. Not even to the other Rangers.
Ini keluarganya ya. Foto keluarga ya.
Well, surely you can dig around.
You want, I'll check the park's personal file when I'm down in my office. Don't expect much, though.
Kita minta teman
I
kita
found
untuk
some
cek personal
stuff in his trunk.
info ya.
A satellite
Personal
or
information
something.
tentang Harvey.
Some wires too.
Satellite.
Ada
Harvey trying to phone
beberapa
home?
kabel dan kayak radar
Well,
gitu
maybe
ya,
the
piringan
Park
radar.
Service gave him a raise in a space program.
And maybe he's a bit of a tech nerd or just has a hobby.
Mungkin dia kutu buku teknologi. Teknologi nerd atau sekedar hobi katanya. Kita jalan kaki cuy, menyusuri forest trail atau jejak jalan di tengah hutan. Cuman berbekal flashlight cuy. Flashlightnya juga gua sebelnya ya, sumpah kagak senangnya sama game horror itu. Minimal pakai bawa senternya tuh senter yang terang apa. Ini senternya kayak udah setengah mau mati gitu. Kayak nggak niat gitu. Ini binatang yang natural ada di sekitar sini ya. Otter cuy. Atau berang-berang. Nah, itu wilderness way katanya. Jalan untuk ke alam liar ya. Masih dikunci rupanya.
I'm at the visitor center.
Kita harus cari
You found anything?
kuncinya cuy.
It's a ghost town.
Figures.
Ini
Trying to find
seperti
the man, please.
kota hantu ya.
Usual banter and tall tale stuff. I want to take a moment here, folks. If you've been keeping up with
Nggak ada satupun orang anjir.
the search for young
There's a map
Mobil
here.
sih banyak ya
Good.
terparkir.
I got the old one here in my end.
Orangnya
So it's
kayak
a piece of
hilang
ground.
aja semua
Let's
gitu.
figure out where Harvey might have gone. Rangers said he's still stuck to his usual rounds, even with the boy missing. Lakeside Trail, Lookout, picnic spot, all worth checking. And if you left anything behind, it'd be in the Ranger cabin.
combing the trails day and night. We're all hoping for good news.
Where's the cabin on the map?
Let's get back to what
Should
Ini
be
peta.
near the entrance to Granite Ridge, right beneath
Peta
Sentinel
dari
Peak.
National Park
Right.
ya. Oh, jadi
I'll get
ini
going
tuh
then.
kebun nasional cuy, apa taman hutan
They got a
hutan
poster of the
nasional
kid
ya.
here.
It's out there.
Yeah,
Well,
they've been
they're not
replacing
short
them
on
every other
stories,
day, hoping
that's for
someone
sure.
spots them.
Some
Feels
folks say
strange
these
being here for Harvey while the whole town's still out looking for Elliot.
Listen, I had to split
Some of you might
resources.
have heard about
You just got the short straw. You're still part of this. You're not
But
off
it's
the
been
case.
making the rounds.
Didn't say that. His parents lived 2 blocks away. I had to look them in the
Sementara
eyes the
seluruh
other
kota
day.
masih mencari Elliot Lair,
I know, man.
tapi sekarang ada kejadian
Now the team's running on caffeine at this point. And
Forest
we're getting
Ranger
pressure
atau
from
Park
higher-ups to
Ranger
get
lah
back.
ya. Park Ranger. Park Ranger ini ada yang hilang, namanya Harvey gitu cuy.
4 days is too soon to quit.
Tell that to the guys sleeping in their trucks.
Tell that to his
4
mom.
hari terlalu
Just
cepat untuk
keep your eyes
berhenti
open.
mencari.
You never know how things can connect.
Gua kira tadi suara dari ini, Cok. Suara dari orang gitu. Ternyata kayak suara radio.
The toilets here are something else.
What are you doing in the... I'm not even gonna ask. Can you just stay
Toiletnya
a bit
kotor bet
professional?
anjir. Nah, kita dapat map dari Taman Nasional ini ya, atau hutan nasional lah, hutan lindung ini cuy. Ada itu tuh ada senapan cuy, ada sniper. Seenggaknya harusnya
There's
bawa
a little
ya.
news clipping talking about Whispering
Jaga-jaga.
Hollows. Is that the little cave next to the lake?
Little cave. It's a whole cave system that extends thousands of feet below the park.
The article's talking about some group that used to live there. Looks pretty creepy.
Yeah, I think that's bullshit. This is the kind of folklore that keeps people away from the woods.
Gua sih yakinnya ini nih sekte sesat cuy. Dapat kunci kita, gate key, kunci
There's a
gerbang.
chair knocked over in the service room.
Weird.
You don't just leave a chair like this. Somebody must have fallen. Does anyone else come here?
Depends who got
Ada
the shift.
medical
But
kitsnya
no
juga
one
di
except
ruangan
Harvey
ini.
since last night.
Kayak ada seseorang yang datang ke sini sebenarnya cuy. Tapi udah aja ditinggal di sini gitu. Ketahui binatang liar di daerahmu gitu ya, ini red fox berubah merah ya. Dia kayak benar-benar kota mati cuy.
The gate to the park is closed. How do I get through?
There should be a key inside the center, I think. Check the service room.
Ada di papan dekat gerbang hutan juga. Pamflet itu ya, apa, brosur hilangnya seorang anak lelaki bernama Elliot Lair. Sebar di mana-mana sebenarnya ya. Ini kayak tempat duduk untuk berkemah. Kita coba susuri jalan cuy. Vibes-nya udah kayak gini ya. Baru juga masuk cok.
The search party must be getting really far. I can't even hear them now. It's mostly static than a voice. Look, can you just switch the channel and see what the situation is?
All right. This is police investigator Ethan Collins, checking in on the situation with the search.
This is Luke Jenkins, camp leader at the Ashwood Scout Camp.
Kita klaim lagi, naik lagi.
Hi,
Situasinya
Luke.
gimana?
Are you the one who reported Elliot Lair missing?
Yes, sir. We searched everywhere we could before calling it in. I stayed with the search party while the others took the boys back to town.
Got it.
Collins?
Ini yang melapor ya, yang melapor ke ada hilangnya
Investigating
seorang anak
Harvey's
laki-laki
disappearance.
bernama Elliot Lair.
Figures. I talked to him yesterday.
Dia yang lapor cuy. Katanya udah nyari
Snapped at me for nothing.
sebisa mungkin.
Writing in his notebook. Weird. I've known Harvey for a long time.
Gua sebelnya ya kalau
I
game
figured
horror kayak gini nih ya, walaupun kita pakai polisi gitu ya,
Don't blame yourself, Luke.
mending main
Focus on
Resident
the
Evil-nya
search.
sekalian gitu.
Let the chief
Soalnya
know
kalau
when you're back at the
game
camp.
horror kayak
I won't
gini
be on
kadang
this channel.
walaupun polisi
Over.
nggak bawa senjata sama sekali gitu coy, buat ngebela diri kalau ternyata tiba-tiba diserang sama sekte sesat, kelompok ada beberapa orang gitu ya, mau ngapain gitu coy, bisa apa, lu bisa apa gitu. Blackwood Camp, nah tempat ngecamp ya, ada marmer ya, granit tuh marmer cuy, jalan batuan marmer kali ya, Granite Ridge tuh. Boat cruise ya, itu dermaga untuk ini ya, perahu ya, kayaknya ada danau. Di tengah hutan ini ada lokasi danau gitu ya. Ada jalan menuju ke bawah. Ada cabin ya. Ada sebuah bangunan. Entah ini tempat untuk tidur, menginap.
I'm at the boathouse. Floor's a mess. Got muddy prints. Looks recent.
How fresh are we talking? Can
Ini
you get a closer
seperti
look?
jejak baru ya. Ada jejak sepatu bots katanya.
This happened a few
Yang
times.
basah, sepertinya baru.
Whispering voices? That's unsettling, to say the least. And you were out by the trailhead near Blackwood? Right where the search for young Elliot's going on?
Yeah, right there. I didn't go too far. Not after I heard it. I know it's probably nothing. Just a feeling. But I've lived here long enough. I know when something feels off.
You're right about that, Susan. That sixth sense, always trusted. Could be the wind, could be a raccoon, could be something else entirely. Who knows? With all
Ada
the
suara
stories
ya,
we hear
whispering
around here,
sound. Ada suara berbisik gitu.
There seems to be
yang,
plenty of boats.
terdengar
Do people boat on the lake
melalui
here?
those eyes
Well, not without a guide.
Di lokasi hilangnya Elliot Lair, anak
Takes
laki-laki
the
itu.
visitors around Misty Lake,
Will do.
explains the history.
I followed the prints. Looks like they go straight to the window. It's cracked open. A bit of mud on the frame.
Oh, jejak kakinya itu langsung menuju ke arah jendela ya.
Could be. His walkie's busted.
Hancur
Covered in
cuy.
mud. Back's all smashed.
Well, no wonder the search party couldn't get a hold
Punya
of
si
him.
Harvey.
It's making this weird sound. Almost like it's hissing.
Could just be interference. I'm even surprised we got reception, to be honest. Especially with electronics going haywire in the park recently.
Can't have had much luck calling for help.
Jadi dia nggak bisa manggil bantuan ya karena walkie-talkie-nya hancur.
Got a couple of family photos. Did you look into the file yet?
Yep, got it right here. Father was a musician, it seems. Mother worked wherever she could. They've traveled around a lot, eventually settled here. He's got a brother and 3 sisters. Lives with his wife and daughters in town.
Do we have any statements from them?
Not much wife said he was a little
Ini
out
kabar
of it.
ini ya, kabar
She said I've been
keluarganya si
having
Harvey.
a lot recently, but chalked it up to the job. I've taken a toll on the guy.
Found Harvey's jacket. He's definitely been here. It's all covered in mud.
What's with all the mud? Sounds like he took a swim at the swamp.
Maybe he did. You don't get covered like this in a lake. Doesn't look accidental either.
What do you mean?
Tidak seperti ini ya.
Maybe he
tidak
was looking for
seperti
something.
Sebuah kecelakaan. Seperti dia lagi mencari sesuatu.
Got an old acoustic guitar here in the corner. Peace, love, looks pretty hippie.
Harvey's a bit too old to be a flower child, isn't he?
Yeah, that's what I thought. It sure sticks out.
Kalau gua sih lebih milih untuk stay di dalam kabin ini, coy. Sampai minimal pagi, coy. Daripada nekat ini ya, nekat untuk terus continue our search, looking for something gitu. Mendingan tetap di ini nyala semua, coy, radio tuh. Tapi nggak ada satupun orang gitu yang nyalain radionya. Ada ini dataran yang tidak stabil katanya, sekitaran sini unstable ground. Ini naik lagi kita, coy, ngikutin jalan lagi ya. Forest Trail Road. Temukan Harvey katanya. Ada pohon jatuh.
There's a fallen tree in the way.
Climb over it, jeez.
I can't. Not this one. It's too big.
You got it working yourself, man.
Yeah, fuck you. I'm finding a different trail.
Jalan lain. Jalan alternatif. Kok bisa jatuh? Bisa jongkok ya? Bisa jongkok di bawahnya. Ini kayak nggak begitu realistis sih ya, ininya grafisnya kayak grafis agak kartun gitu, cuy.
Great. My shoes are soaking wet.
Karena kita menyusuri sungai ya. Terkena air. Ada jejak lagi.
Footprints in the mud.
Similar to the ones at the boathouse?
Yeah, about the same. They look pretty fresh. Mud's not dried out yet. These prints are deeper than most. Looks like whoever made them was wearing boots, not regular shoes.
Tapi menggunakan boots ya.
And we found the same prints in Harvey's room.
Sepatu boots.
Sounds like we're on his trail.
Sama jejaknya seperti yang ada di rumah perahu. Boathouse. Kita masuk ya. Ini ada cave kayak arah menuju cave ya, sebuah cave. Ada papan yang jatuh.
Found part of a trail sign, swimming in the mud. Sentinel's Lookout ring a bell?
Figures. You're on the
Oh,
old trail.
jalur
There's nobody
lama ya
bothered
ini.
cleaning up the signs.
Jalur lama yang udah
Should've
lama
just
nggak
climbed over the
dipakai,
tree.
ternyata.
Hello?
Suaranya gua nggak ini cu. Ada kayak
I've got some
simbol
tree
ya.
carvings. They're strange, to say
Ancient
the least.
symbol.
Looks like some ancient symbols or something.
Ini ya,
Yeah,
masa
there's a
lampau
bunch of
gitu.
teenage troublemakers doing shit like this. I think at this point, they're banned from the park entirely. Not that they would care.
Looks like some of these could be related to that old group that
Mereka
used to live
melihat
here.
katanya.
Yeah, I'm sure they dig that kind of folklore.
Ada jalan lagi. Oh, masuk ke semak-semak kayak begini anjir.
Fuck! You can fuck off, Mother Nature.
Ada burung ya, suara burung. Kirain gue suara apa anjing. Ada sebuah bangunan ini ya, bangunan juga di sini. Kabin lagi. Kayak ada radio yang nyala cuy. Ada backpack.
Somebody was at the picnic area tonight. Looks like they even wanted to stay for the night.
What? It's gotta be those teenagers again.
Siapa yang mau ngecamp di sini cuy malam-malam kayak gini?
Considering recent events, why would anyone want to camp out here?
I think for these guys, it just became way more interesting to camp there.
Somebody left their backpack here.
Kita matiin ini nyala ya
Leave
tadi
your
radionya.
backpack.
Looks kind of like the backpack I found in Harvey's car.
Mold included?
No, this one's fine. They left their boombox here. Consider it.
Boombox.
Nice. I heard
Ya,
the wildlife
radio.
around here really like some punk music.
They got a fire going
Zaman
and
dulu ada
everything.
tip soalnya
You think
cuy,
Harvey could have gone
yang
after
buat
them?
nyetel lagu
Yeah, maybe.
gitu ya, nggak cuma buat dengerin radio tapi bisa nyetel lagu juga dari kaset. Itu tape sih harusnya ya, tapi disebutnya kalau sama orang
Got a
luar
can
negeri
of
boombox ya,
Dr. Almond.
otak
Haven't heard that in a while.
speaker aktif lah kalau di kita sekarang sih.
Really weird taste.
Kalau zaman dulu ada yang buat nyetel kaset lagu cuy.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Ada banyak soda can.
Bunch of soda cans around here.
Might as well take one. Gonna be a long night by the looks of it.
Ini creepy sih coy, frightening gitu.
This wildlife safety sign has seen better days. It's got writing all over it. And this one's weird. It's like a snake eating its tail. Ever seen anything like that before?
The snake eating its tail? That's Ouroboros, isn't it? It's a mythology thing. Probably just teenagers acting out.
Terlihat seperti menggambarkan seekor ular memakan.
The writing looks a bit
sendiri, ya.
faded. This wasn't done last night.
Still doesn't mean it's anything to worry about. Kids love messing with creepy symbols. You've seen those weird devil worship scare stories in the papers? Probably just to freak
Ini
people
kayak
out.
penyembahan
Why here?
iblis ya.
This isn't some
Kata
roadside
gue juga
billboard.
apa, sekte cuy.
Good point.
Ini
Why there
sekte
are
pasti,
places?
sekte sesat. Stray path of sekte. Duh anjir, cari penyakit anjir. Ngapain dari awal kita masuk sini sih? Udah diam kali di dalam kabin yang sini sampai pagi, baru lanjut lagi. Emang tipikalnya orang-orang luar negeri itu senang mencari penyakit.
This
ya,
trail here is pretty overgrown. It's full
senang
of bushes.
Untuk
Any idea how to
senang
get through?
untuk menjelajah yang udah
Your
jelas
title is
ada
police
sesuatu
investigator.
masalah gitu.
You should be able to get
tempat
past
itu.
a couple of bushes. Find
Tapi
something to
malah
clear the
senang.
trail with.
Sendirian lagi, nggak bawa senjata lagi, lengkap udah. Minimal ya bawa senjata gitu biar bisa ngamanin diri sendiri ya, pistol kayak apa kayak gitu. Kita radio yang dari anak kita si Mia.
I used my radio to clear up the frequency playing from the boombox.
And what did you hear?
I managed to clear up the sound to hear the
Sebuah
signal,
suara.
and I heard, like, a voice.
Kita mendengar
Alright,
sebuah
that's
suara.
odd. Could be interference, or maybe someone messing with an open frequency. Anything else?
No, just a whole load of nothing, and a boombox that shouldn't be working.
Okay, I'll log it. Probably some random shit anyway. Tired brains start filling in gaps.
Oke,
Alright.
baiklah katanya. Dapat headshot, kapak. Nyala lagi anjir. Tadi udah gua matiin radio tuh. Ada sesuatu yang ngedekat. Gua bacok langsung aja. Terbuka jalannya. Kapaknya tuh terlalu pendek anjir pegangannya. Jadi kalau ketemu sama sesuatu yang aneh, monster atau apa tuh kita, apalagi kalau dia cakarnya panjang ya monsternya, kegibeng anjir. Sekali sabet dia, kita boro-boro mau, belum juga kita mau apa mau bacok gitu ya. Ini ngalangin sih, ini ngalangin sih. Asli ini ngalangin sih. Ketemu sungai lagi. River. Ada cabin buat ranger di sini ya. Di sekitar sini tuh ada cabin buat ranger cuy. Menjaga hutan. Kedengeran ada suara nggak cuy? Gue sih ngedenger ada suara-suara.
I hear like some weird sound.
What sound?
Kita ngedengar kayak ada orang yang lagi nebang pohon di sekitar sini.
Somebody's chopping wood in the middle of the night? Where even are you?
Just below the lookout. I think it's stopped now.
What the fuck?
Sumber suaranya dari atas ya. Kayak ada tempat. Oh, tempat duduk doang ini cuy, kayak saung. Tapi nggak ada siapa-siapa juga. Kita turun lagi. Suaranya hilang coy. Suara kayak orang nebang pohon hilang cuy. Ini ada yang salah sih dari tempat ini cuy. Lu masa nggak sadar sih? Mending gua mah, kalau gua jadi dia mending balik lagi anjir. Something wrong with this place gitu. Sesuatu yang salah gitu dengan tempat ini cuy.
Does the lake trail cross a little river?
Yeah, that's right. Thanks for the kid.
Well, the bridge here is broken.
What?
Yeah, it's half gone. Looks like it collapsed.
Kayu ditebang.
The bridge has
Pohon
been there
ditebang
for
tuh
hundreds of
kayaknya.
years.
That may be why it collapsed.
Jembatan ini. Ini kayak kasus-kasus kalau di luar negeri itu kayak kasus-kasus yang orang hilang di hutan karena lagi ngecamp ya, beberapa
Another
orang
fallen
gitu
tree.
hilang
There wasn't
tanpa
any crazy
kabar,
weather lately,
tanpa
right?
jejak gitu cuy. Ini kasus-kasus misteri yang tidak terpecahkan selama belasan bahkan puluhan tahun gitu. Ini jenis gamenya ya kayak gitulah. Dan ini beneran terjadi di dunia nyata juga memang ada cuy. Wah ada darah coy. Darah. Darah bukan anjir. Kan bener kata gua anjir.
I've got blood.
Kata gua juga apa bangke.
There's a rock covered in blood. Looks pretty fresh. Parts of it dried out.
Fuck, you positive that's blood?
Yeah, positive. Could be animal. I can't say exactly.
Where are you right now?
Just outside the cabin.
Copy that. We need to get you back up.
Who are you gonna get? Everyone's out in the search party.
Fuck. I'll try something.
I'll stay here and look for more clues.
Mark your map with the spot if you can.
Temen kita mau ngasih backup ya ke kita, tapi semua orang lagi nyari si Elliot Lair, anak laki-laki yang hilang itu. Jadi kata kita, siapa yang mau kamu dapatkan untuk membantu gitu? Nggak ada juga anjir. Nah, udah diem di sini napa ya? Kekunci anjing.
I'm at the cabin, but the door's locked.
You see anyone inside?
Looks like someone's just been here. Smoke's coming out the chimney.
Harvey?
Why would Harvey leave the place like this?
Well, I didn't hear anyone. Search party should be at the camp by now.
What do you mean, nothing? You're telling me no one's on comms?
Well, I didn't hear anyone. Search party should be at the camp by now.
Aku akan mencoba masuk ke dalam.
Let me try. Search party. This is police investigator Ethan Collins. Come in.
Ada orang di luar sana.
Anyone out there? Luke Jenkins? Officer Carter? Nothing. It's dead air.
Nggak ada jawaban ya. Kita nyari dari frekuensi
Yeah, it's
radio
fucking
ke
not.
HT dari frekuensi
I gotta get
HT,
inside to investigate.
Okay, there should be a spare
ada
key
jawaban,
somewhere.
cuy.
Might be hard to find it.
Where's the key?
Cari batu yang ada tanda merah. Ya yang tadi yang kena ini dong. Generatornya masih nyala.
They got the generator going as well.
Sounds like they know their way around the cabin.
Nyari penyakit emang bener. Something fishy gitu. Jadi sesuatu tuh mencurigakan di sini. Something wrong. Why do you keep searching? Kenapa kamu masih tetap mencari gitu? Kalau gua sih mendingan apa ya? Nah, ini kan dapat kunci nih, dapat nih, kita dapat batunya, masuk ke dalam kabin ini, kunci dari dalam. Udah ada perapian kan di sini. Tunggu sampai minimal pagi hari lah, coy. Walaupun nggak ada ini ya, nggak ada apa, gorden ya, nggak ada tirai kaca, tirai jendela. Ya minimal aman lah di sini gitu. Ada itu juga teropong kan, kita bisa sambil ngecek keluar ya dari kaca. Lihat. Ini kayak laporan kerjanya si Harvey. Name Susan Green. Ada Tom Blake. Morning shift. Oh, shift pagi. Harvey Waters. Morning shift semua ya. Ini memang apa, bagian pagi gitu. Kalian bisa pause gameplaynya kalau kalian mau baca. Gua nggak akan baca semua sih. Work report. Oke. Dengan Boy Scout pramuka ya, apa? Pramuka anak laki-laki. Remaining fallen trees. Jadi ada banyak pohon yang rubuh. Udah di ini ya, udah diambil sama tim.
Found a ranger journal. What the hell?
Kata gua juga apa? Tiba-tiba jadi ada
What the hell?
angka ya.
What?
There's a
91.
Speak, goddammit.
the wall. There's writings on the wall. They're numbers?
What?
I don't know what the hell's going on.
I can't.
Dia tiba-tiba terkunci di dalam kabin.
Robert, I'm fucking locked in the cabin.
Kabinnya juga tiba-tiba
Fuck
mati,
this.
coy. Lampunya mati. Cari penyakit ya emang anjing. Emosi gua.
spaceship providing real-time.
Here.
Siapa kamu paling bawah?
Who are you?
Echo beat. 2 hertz. Beat echo. Stop. Sound painful. Repeat.
What?
Oh, ada kampak.
This thing's
Kita pegang
not
kampak,
a
coy.
two-way. How can you hear me?
Here.
Echo. Police.
Turn back. Turn.
Turn back now.
Echo beat
Turn
echo.
back now. Kembalilah sekarang, katanya. Kembalilah sekarang. Duh, anjir.
That was insane. There's got to be an explanation for this. But, hello? Rob? God damn it, please tell me you can fucking hear me. Great. Well, I'm just telling you, I'm getting out of here.
Suruh
Now.
keluar. Suruh keluar, cok. Kata gua juga. Ngapain? Sampai ke puncak-puncaknya segala ini, anjir. Wah. Tuh ada suara kayak nebang lagi, coy. Kayak lagi nebang pohon lagi, cuy. Apa itu? Gelap, anjing.
Hello, sir. How's it going? Are you all right?
No, it's not you.
Are you Harvey Waters, sir? What you doing out here?
Can't you see? Chopping wood helps me think.
No, what are you doing here? Your wife's worried sick. I was sent to find you.
She doesn't understand.
Tidak ada seorang pun dari
None of you
kalian
do.
yang
What's your
mengerti,
name?
katanya. Aku sedang menebang pohon.
Ethan Collins. I'm with Ashwood Creek PD.
You again?
What?
No, it must have been someone else. You know what it's like to lose someone? To lose track
Tahu
of
gimana
them.
rasanya
Search for them every day.
kehilangan
I know
komunikasi dengan
he's out there.
seseorang,
I've
dan
seen
kita
him.
tahu orang itu masih ada di luar sana, katanya.
Is this about Elliot? You know anything about the boy?
Elliot, he's a scout. Good
Kau
kid.
tidak
You'll never find him.
membuat ini semua masuk akal, gitu.
Why is that?
I've seen him. He shouldn't have gone in there. It's not my fault, okay?
All right. Okay. Where's the boy, Harvey? You know, right?
In the circle. He's already part of it. Just like the others.
Kau
You
tidak bisa
can't save him
menyelamatkan
now,
mereka
Ethan.
sekarang.
You'll understand soon enough.
Kita nanya ada remaja
You see any teenagers roaming around the park, Harvey?
Teenagers?
Yeah. I found some abandoned stuff back at the picnic site.
At the picnic site, huh? The boombox still playing?
Boxnya juga
Yeah,
masih
I guess.
berjalan.
What happened? You know anything?
You did this, didn't you?
Semua
It's
salah
your
kita,
fault.
katanya. Semua salah
All
kita.
your fault.
What?
Tiba-tiba jadi
Listen,
salah. Oh, anjir,
There is
matanya.
no escape.
Matanya
Harvey,
merah,
I
coy.
need you to calm down right now.
Come with me. You have to come with me now. We can find him.
Anjir, kita
We can
lari.
get down on the ground.
Ini udah nggak gua jalanin ya, udah nggak gua gerakin, cuy. Cari penyakit sih. Jam 10 malam.
Yeah.
Kita dibangunkan sama suara HT. Ada teman kita ngubungin lewat
Yeah.
walkie-talkie.
I'm here.
Jesus. You sound grumpy like usual. Anything happened?
Fuck my leg. I just took like a 30-foot fall
Kita nggak tahu
and
ada
ended
di
up
mana ya.
God knows where.
You
Aku
what?
melukai
You're
kakiku.
not serious.
Kayaknya
I'm
dibacok
serious.
sih.
I think I
Sama si
fucked up my
Harvey.
leg.
Fuck. You need to sit tight. Let me call one of...
No time. I found Harvey. He was just hacking away at this tree stump. Over and over, like he didn't even know I was there.
What the fuck? You found the guy?
Dia tidak ada di sana gitu.
He turned around and looked right at me. I swear to God, Rob, he wasn't there. I was running away from him and
Harvey
slipped.
ngomong sesuatu
Did
katanya.
Harvey say anything at all?
Dia tahu gitu tentang anak yang hilang.
I think he knows something about the missing boy. More than anyone else.
Tidak
The
ada
way he
jalan
looked at me
kabur.
when he mentioned there was no
from what,
escape.
katanya.
Escape from what? What does that mean?
No idea.
Okay, Ethan, deep breaths. You're a tough guy. Find some kind of a landmark. Do that, and I'll triangulate your position.
I'm on it.
Ada frekuensi yang kita dapat juga lagi, tapi nggak jelas ya frekuensinya.
Station providing real-time updates on park conditions and safety guidelines. Currently, the park weather is calm. Temperatures are expected to drop tonight. Visitors are advised to prepare for colder conditions if staying overnight.
Oh, great. This looks totally not creepy.
What is it?
Ada
Got a rock
simbol-simbol
here,
yang
prominently
terukir di
placed.
batuan.
Symbols carved into it.
Nox Omnia Eximet. Seperti sebuah ular.
And this one's
memakan
weird. It's like a snake eating its tail. Ever seen anything like that before?
Sounds like the Ouroboros.
Misal
It's a mythology thing.
What does that mean?
It can mean a bunch of things, but mostly depicts an endless cycle, sort of.
Cycle. Harvey
Ouroboros,
mentioned
yeah.
cycles.
That mean absolutely fucking anything to you?
He said Elliot was in the circle.
Harvey said that.
Yeah, whatever that is, it's our key
Lu
to
tadi
finding
katanya pengen
Elliot.
keluar dari tempat ini, Cok. Kenapa masih dilanjutin lagi nyari? Sedangkan lu kehilangan senjata tadi pas lagi ketemu si Harvey. Aneh gua aja pola pikirnya.
You remember the missing person case from a decade ago? It was up there in the park too.
Vaguely, that was. I wasn't on the case.
One of them was Harvey's brother. His name was David.
Dan
They
dia
never found him,
diketemukan sampai sekarang juga.
any of the answers they were looking for.
You think his and Elliot's case are connected?
I mean, it's a long shot. You're better off just focusing on what we've got on Elliot.
Ini final ending sih, maksudnya final part gitu dari gamenya. Kayaknya bentar lagi ending kalau menurut gua sih gitu. Ngeri cuy, asli, sumpah. Bisa yang normal-normal aja nggak sih bro? Ethan, namanya Ethan ya. Ethan ini gua hancurin dulu yang menghalangi cuy. Ada banyak semak-semak ya yang menghalangi. Kita masih punya headset, tapi headsetnya yang pendek. Kenapa nggak ambil headset yang merah ya, yang pemadam kebakaran yang panjang?
I found a really weird sign here. Area closed by the U.S. government.
What? Shit, you're at that sealed off zone they cleared out years back.
I thought that was just a rumor.
Well, I think the feds might have been up there sniffing around after David disappeared.
Kita tidak pernah tahu di area yang ditutup ini. Di situ ada tulisan.
You ever hear what really went down here?
By government ya.
They never told us.
AS unit Amerika Serikat ya. Tapi kita nggak pernah dikasih tahu, katanya pihak kepolisian nggak pernah dikasih tahu kenapa ditutup gitu guys. Ada sebuah
I found this letter in some wooden box inside a tree here. The serpent returns. The forest is awake again. We shall meet again and finish the vision of Victor Thorne. Any idea who Victor Thorne is?
Nggak tahu nih yang dimaksud dengan ular yang kembali ke hutan itu ular apa gitu. Ada sebuah tenda tenda militer ya, atau tenda pemerintahan lah cuy.
I found an old tent out here. Military or federal. They left stuff out here, but it looks abandoned.
Of course they did, and they didn't tell us shit.
So they just leave this out here? National Park, my ass. They left behind a clipboard. Looks like one of the first reports.
Anything interesting in there?
They took some measurements. Radiation.
Laporannya tentang anomali.
Mentions of some type of an anomaly and comms interference. Strangely similar to what just happened to me.
I don't know.
There's a report here, mostly redacted, but it mentions something about the collapse of Black River. Calls the site unstable.
Black River? There's no Black River around here.
Maybe it's just a code name.
Word from the Rangers, trails west of the park entrance remain closed. That won't stop us from bringing you the best tunes in town. Up next, Rays and Ravens and the news.
Day 4 in the search for missing scout Elliot Lair. Volunteers and police continue to search Ashwood Creek National Park, though no significant leads have been reported. Authorities remind visitors the park remains partially closed. In other news, the annual Harvest Fest is set for late October.
Finally, tiba-tiba kita makin masuk ke dalam hutan. Ada sebuah monumen. Ada shape, bentuk ya, yang bisa dimasukkan ke dalam monumen.
I'm in the middle of a stone circle.
What?
It looks like I can insert something into the stone here.
What do you mean, insert something? How do you insert something into a stone?
Pretty easily. It looks like there's a shape.
You got anything?
Sound sketchy, terdengar sangat mencurigakan ya. Tapi katanya teman kita udah
Should I even do it? Who knows what'll happen?
minta bantuan.
Sounds sketchy, but we're on our way to get you out of there. And maybe it'll help us find more clues of what the hell's
Ada
happening.
sebuah gerbang. Kering anjir. Bibir kita kalau lagi puasa itu kering ya cuy. Makeshift. Oh, jadi kayak ada kayak semacam kayu yang bisa digerakkan gitu ya cuy. Kayak ungkit pengungkit gitu kayak.
I found something. Looks like a makeshift lift. Wooden frame, ropes, pulleys. Looks like amateur work, but sturdy enough.
A lift? Out there?
Yeah, the platform's up though.
This is the
Teraround. Disuruh kembali anjir kita tuh. Kenapa bersikeras tetap di sini dah?
This is
kita ada di sekitar tenda lagi, tenda federal 10 ya, jadi tenda milik pemerintah sebenarnya cuy. Kita hancurin lagi semak-semak yang menghalangi di sekitar.
There's a cave opening here. I think I hear a faint noise from
Ethan
inside.
ini nyangkanya ada sesuatu di sini kayaknya ya, kalau kita masuk.
You think whatever the feds were investigating could be in here?
Dalam, anjir. Kacau ini orang. Definisi mempersingkat umur, coy. Biar lebih cepat meninggoy. Ya gini.